Welcome to the wrap-up module for onlinephpclass.com. And in this module, we'll be wrapping up the course. In fact, I want to begin by saying congratulations on making it to the end of the course. And this has been an intense course, and you made it through. So hopefully you received the benefits of the course and that we met your intention for taking the course, and that you actually ended up meeting the intention that you set for taking it. On the first day, I said by the end of the course you'll have a strong foundation in common PHP concepts with the ability to build on them to write your own code and edit other people's code. And I hope you realize that this course was no fluff at all. It was just pure and simple PHP code to get you developing on your own as quickly as possible. We covered everything from an introduction to PHP, variables and operators, control structures, include files and functions, forms, data in, data out, and sanitizing, working with a MySQL, advanced forms, including data pre-population and pre-selection, sessions and cookies, time and date, and the bonus on uploading and working with files. It's the exact same list I presented to you at the beginning of the course. And looking at it again after going through the course, I'm sure that things make a lot more sense to you. There is ongoing support. As long as you remain a member, you'll have unlimited access to the forum, where we'll strive to provide the support you need for your development endeavors for as long as we can. And in addition, we've created a community of people who like PHP and develop in it. So feel free to reach out to your fellow classmates on the forum as well, as I'm sure you probably have by now. So again, I want to say thank you for taking the course. I definitely enjoyed creating it for you, and I hope you enjoyed taking it. Be well in your future endeavors, and as always, I'll see you in the forum.